Na 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 na. What's good, everybody? I hope you're like getting yellow, okay? It's me, Pumza. You already know. If you're new to this channel, I'm Pumza. Have you seen by the title or the thumbnail? Today's workout is pretty much simple because we're using what we have. Well, for me, I'm using INYALA, one of the greatest maize meal. Since I don't have like a gym membership and I'm not at home, I'm at school, so at school they don't have a gym, so I gotta use what I have. Yeah, man, let me show you how I do it. Let's get on to the video. Always love your granny, man.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Don't let me sleep, never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave, baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
No.